Hello. Today I want to talk about the CS-700 video soundbar and give you a little bit more of technical information on the product. As you might know, it is a product specifically designed for huddle rooms, which allows for best audio pickup and playback, as well as good video capture of all of the people in the conference room. To go a little bit more into the details of it, let's look into the different technologies and different components of the product. Number one, the CS-700 actually has 4 microphone elements in it. These 4 microphone elements are used to dynamically generate a beam forming in the room to actually capture exactly where people are and what people are saying, therefore giving you the best audio capture of what's being said in the room. In addition, the CS-700 has 4 speaker elements, mid-woofers and tweeters, to actually allow for best audio playback in the room, giving you a full spectrum of the audio and filling the room really with audio so that everybody in the room can hear what's being said. Lastly, the camera which you see is actually a 120-degree ultra-wide-angle camera. This actually captures everybody who is sitting in the room, therefore allowing even people who are close to the wall or close to the screen to be seen on the far end. This allows the CS-700 to be the perfect product for your huddle spaces.